Have you ever wished you could create your own unique stickers? Imagine having the ability to design personalized stickers that truly reflect your style and personality. Well, get excited because your wish is about to come true. Introducing Sticky. Sticky, the AI-powered tool that empowers you to create custom stickers like never before. Sticky harnesses the incredible potential of AI to generate stunning sticker designs based on your input prompts. It's a quick and easy way to bring your ideas to life and add that extra touch of personalization to your digital messaging, social media posts, and more. Here's how it works. Simply enter your prompt for the sticker design, let your imagination run wild, and click on Create. In a matter of seconds, Sticky will work its magic and generate a variety of eye-catching sticker designs for you to choose from. Select the sticker that catches your eye and simply click on it. Voila! Your masterpiece is now saved in the draft section, ready to be admired and shared with the world. If you're looking to explore even more design possibilities, Sticky has got you covered. Click on Generating Variation, and it will generate similar design stickers that you can save directly to your PC. The possibilities are truly endless with Sticky. Whether you want to create stickers for your favorite messaging app, spice up your social media posts, or add a personal touch to your digital creations, Sticky is your go-to AI-powered companion. With Sticky, the possibilities for creative expression are endless. So go ahead, let your ideas stick and your imagination shine. Create custom stickers that make a statement, share them with the world, and spread a little joy with AI-powered creativity.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.